Good afternoon, Flosstube. My name is Daphne. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a unboxing today. I just received the bi-monthly subscription box and this one from the Black Needle Society. This one is called Nature and Elements. I have not looked at any of this, so this is the first time that I'm seeing this. So you get your card with your information, your notes, and then this current available box is Rainy Day Stitching from March. It says March means spring weather isn't far off, and with it the rainy season. We've got the perfect box of goodies for you to snuggle up on a cold rainy day and enjoy some stitching. We've got a visitor coming in to investigate the box. So yeah, there's that, and then on the back, stitch and read. Get once there were wolves and starry eyes, and then books with BNS. Join the Books for BNS Facebook group on December 7th to discuss the newest book of the month. Wayyard. Right there. So let's get into this. So, first thing up, just the first thing on the thing, it's hand-dyed fabric, thyroid, picture this plus, 32 count, hand-dyed cross-stitch fabric, 13 by 18, it's a pink. It's showing, but it's a beautiful pinky, peachy, really nice color. So we have that, and let's look at that. Thyroid fabric, hand dyed by Picture This Plus. This is fabric. Is this fabric hot or what? We are thrilled to be able to include a cut of Picture This Plus fabric for our November subscribers. This color is exclusive to the Black Needle Society. And next up here, got the little fuzzies in this black. Like when they give us phone socks. Turn them this way. They're nice and thick. Might be wearing these soon, getting cold. So this is Rainbow in the Sky socks, curated by the Black Needle Society. Water and light come together to create the stunning air show that is a rainbow. We hope to keep your feet warm this winter while you're stitching on your next project. These are very cute. I like them. And next up here is a jar, and it says it's raining orts. And let's see, it's raining orts jar. Artwork with the Black Needle Society. Does your stitching spot look like it's been hit by a stray thread storm after a while? Keep all of your bits of your extra thread in this ort jar. If you put your orts outside in warmer months, birds will use these spare bits to build their nests. I've heard not to do that because they can choke and stuff on those. So just be cautious if that's what you prefer to do. But that's cute. I have a container by my stitching spot, so this could be put somewhere else for orts. And then in here is the specialty floss. Ooh, these are pretty. Hand dyed by Rolanda. These are the first ones I've had from this company. So we've got Earthly, which is like a dark brown and a light brown. We've got Arrows. That's the name of it. And it's a yellows, dark yellows to bright yellows. And then we've got fire floss, so reds and oranges. And then we've got sapphire. So you've got your blues. This is really pretty. So here's the flosses. So pretty. And these elemental thread pack, hand dyed by Rolanda. Rolanda created these gorgeous threads to represent the 4 Greek elements exclusively for our November box stitchers. We can't wait to see what you create with the power of elements at your fingertips. And this looks like a little coaster with the 4 elements. Elements Collide Coaster, artwork by Kiradashka Art. We'll always recommend keeping a beverage nearby to stay hydrated while stitching. Be sure to protect your furniture from elements with this exclusive coaster. And it's got the foam cork behind it. It's pretty. That would be cute. That would be really fun to cross stitch that design. And what's this? Oh, there's a tumbled stone inside of here. Interesting. Gemstone soap, handmade by Sew the Magic. Keep your hands clean while you're working on your next project. We've included this gorgeous gemstone soap to add a little elemental fun into your hand washing. It's interesting. That's pretty cool. And then we've got the needle minder in this one here because it was stuck to the coaster. So this is a lantern. Oh, that's pretty cute. So there's the lantern. It says Lantern Needle Minder, artwork by the Black Needle Society. We've captured a different kind of fire to light this lantern for late night stitching needle minder. It's much less likely to string your project. It's very cute. And then got all the little fuzzies. And then we have the Earth Laughs Project bag. Artwork by the Black Needle Society. Protect your projects from the elements with this project bag featuring one of our favorite quotes from Ralph Waldo Emerson. We can't wait for spring when the earth is full of laughter and the beautiful colors of flowers are all around. So the earth laughs in flowers. That is cute. Let's take a look at the inside of the bag. See what color the inside is. It's like a reddish orange. That's pretty neat. And then we've got local conditions, a year-long cross-stitch temperature chart. Ooh, interesting. Local conditions cross-stitch pattern, designed by Satsuma Street. Jody has created a temperature chart designed for you to personalize throughout 2025. Inside, you will find instructions on how to determine the color to use and where based on your local temperature. She's also provided a blank chart for you to fill in with daily temperatures throughout 25 inside the pattern itself. We can't wait to see your unique townscapes as your temperature chart comes together. Always wanted to do a temperature chart, but I just could never find one that I liked, and I like this one. So this might actually be something that I look into over the next couple weeks to see what one I do, what colorway. I like that. And the back here shows stitch a record of your local conditions with this year-long cross-stitch temperature chart. Each stitcher's project will be different depending on the climate where they live. And this is January in Las Vegas, and then January in Bangor, Maine. That is really neat. I'll have to look at that later and see what I have for this. So, excuse me. With that, I would like to say thank you for stopping by and taking a look and seeing this unboxing. These will be, I believe, in the vault at some point. I'm not sure if it's in December, or if it's going to be in January, because I know they are going on vacation here in December for a little while. So I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.